karate is not good for your joints. Many people have this complaint, knee problems, knee injury, because martial arts, I'm doing karate from many years and it's not good for your knee. It's not karate, it's you. If this is how you punch on a heavy bag, don't blame karate. In my humble opinion, there are three ways of looking at this. I mean, three parts. So, the first thing is we have to understand that martial arts and fighting and all this is not some very good exercise. The more reps I do, the better I will get. It is not like that. It is not necessary like that. Because in fighting, I'm punching somebody else is punching on my face, I'm kicking and I'm getting kicked. This is not a very medically approved exercise that will enhance your health. This is not like yoga, this is not like walking, this is not like swimming. You do this exercise and it will enhance your health. No, fighting is bad. Number two, we think too much about ourselves. हिंदी में बोलेंगे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगेगा लेकिन झेल लेना. हम अपनी औकात भूल जाते हैं. जितना संभाल सकते उससे ज्यादा वजन उठा लिया, जितना झेल सकते उससे ज्यादा रनिंग कर ली. स्पेशली यूट्यूब से देख के हमने बैठक सीखा है और टुडे आई एम डूइंग 1000 इंडियन स्क्वाट्स. नहीं, क्यों? So don't do more than you can handle. And number three is a more technical point. I want to focus on more basic details of karate. The movement, the stance, and many things we get wrong. Even experienced people, they kick the punching bag and you look at the kick and you know, of course, it will hurt your knee. So one, anyway, martial arts and fighting is not good for the body. Too much martial art is not good. Number two, do only that much which you can handle. Number three, there are details. If you are doing this like 1000 reps, make sure you know how to do it properly. Details, stance, pivoting, especially the other leg while you are kicking, all that. So this is the most common stance you will find in karate. The problem is people do this, train your legs, make your muscles stronger, squats, do something healthy, take rest. In this video, I am not talking about people who already have injury. If you have injury, if you have some joint problem, don't come to YouTube, go to a doctor. So the stances itself, this one, or maybe this one, or this one according to your style, or here, or maybe here. All this will of course affect your knee, but not when you are doing it properly and not when you are doing in a limit. Other than the stances, many people get the techniques wrong. Other than the stances, many people have problem in the positioning. See, traditional Shotokan, they will keep the foot slightly turned inwards and then they will lean on it. And this is not too much. Don't take it too seriously. If it doesn't work for you, stop it. Nobody is paying you to do the correct Shotokan. But again, this is not meant to give pressure on your knee. It is just meant to make that thing tight. If this one, it's not very good for the grip I am having on the stance. If I am like this, straight, there is a chance of me losing that grip. If I am here, now this is more stable because that's inside. This thing has to change before I kick or do anything. This is only for making this stance at this moment stable. Nothing else. Next one is pivoting. Basic. Every kata you will find this one here and then turning and maybe something else or something else. The problem is we do this and we forget about this one. This is important. You need to turn or you need to turn on your heel or on the toes. Because if this one stays like that and then you are doing whatever kicking, you already know what is wrong. ये पैर का जो ट्विस्टिंग होता है pivoting, this depends on what you want to establish. For example, if I am right here, I need to do just the technique. I don't want to go somewhere. I'll use the heel. I'll turn on my heel here. But if I want to cover distance, I will use my toe or I will use the ball of my foot. And now I'm not turning like this. I will turn like this. Now you see, that 1 foot was covered because I turned not like this but like this. It gives me that reach advantage. And the biggest problem, because every day we are not practicing stances or katas, including me. Every day what we are doing is we kick. We like to do all that fancy stuff. The most important, your instructor has almost told this 1,000 times to you, but we don't listen. The kick is not about this leg. It's not about this one. That will anyway land. It's about this. I have to place this or turn this in a specific way. I can't throw a kick while keeping this straight. If this is here, maybe 2 or 3 more months I can practice like that. After that, I have to forget about this leg. So that twisting, pivoting, first take this out or take this here. The same theory applies. If I am this close, I need to do it on the heel. If I am a little far, I need that reach advantage. I need to do on this part. I need to do like any kick, side kick, rounders kick, hook kick. Make sure you're not doing just 45 degree or just 90 degree. Go all the way. Go all the way. Let's go 180 degrees. Nobody cares. Let it go like that. Or let it go like this. The more you turn, the better it is for the knee. I'll try to do a powerful side kick. I feel a stretch over here. I feel this, but I don't feel any pain over here. Because that was almost not included. I took care of that. और उसके बाद किक कर रहे हैं ना, तो पहले अपना घुटना संभाल के फिर किक करने का, या फिर उठाते हुए एडजस्ट करने का. So these are the basic things you need to take care of. Number 1, nobody said if you do 100 kicks or 1,000 kicks, it is good for you. No. Number 2, know your level. Only after that, try this fancy stuff. Number 3, pay attention to what you're doing wrong. This is martial arts. After some time, before feeling pain or injury, you will know yourself. It gives you, your body will give you some signal that you're not doing it right. You will feel some pain. So don't think that pain is good. No pain, no gain. No. Stop. Look at your techniques. Maybe consult a doctor. That is how you have to approach this. It's a tool. You can't throw it around. So that's all for today. Even if after doing all this you still have some joint problem, go to a doctor. YouTube is not the place for you. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. And also check out Bujin TV. Bujin TV is the Netflix of martial arts. Here you will find hundreds of teachers, including some of our content is also there. हमारे वाली वीडियो भी है उसमें, तो वो भी देख लीजिएगा. लेकिन वो तो आप ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे भी देख रहे हो. You can find many seminar clippings, everything. So use code Karate TV to get first month free subscription.